Welcome back. Earlier this week, Newsleader on 6 learned that Bonnaroo had received a building permit to construct a $1.2 million permanent main stage at the Bonnaroo site. When completed, it will stand over 80 feet tall. Chip spoke with project coordinator Russ Bennett.
Every year in the past, we rent a major main stage, and that's an expensive proposition. This is our 9th year. We're going to be coming into our 10th year. Everybody wants to stay here for the long term. So it makes sense to do this kind of investment, just as we've done underground power, all those kinds of things. So we've talked about doing this for a while. You know, getting the money together is not always easy, so it'll be a multi-year, multi-phase project. But it's definitely, as you said earlier, this is another root in the ground, and I think will be good for the long term. We'll be able to attract other acts here. We won't have to tell them we can rent a stage. Right. We have one.
Right. Tell us a little bit about this particular stage. What's unique? What are some of the dimensions of it? That sort of thing.
The stage itself is a little over 160 feet by about 60 feet deep, with another 10 foot of sort of upstage back and forth and a loading dock, so that everything can work much more smoothly than it does on a temporary stage. It'll be steel structure above.
Much like the ones that have been here
very
before.
Similar to, most people won't see much difference between what they've seen in the past. And over time, we'll sort of try and make this be a more important piece of architecture than the simple erector set that we're going to.
Getting any kind of Greek theater sort of thematic?
Well, I don't know about Greek, but yeah.
I've got over here, you've got some mounds built up, I see over here, and that's for some other viewing areas you have for VIP, I believe. But.
Yes. Yeah, we built that a couple of years ago, again, for the same reason here, as we were renting bleacher scaffold, and it occurred to us, one, we needed some retention pond, and it would be good to have some irrigation water, and we could use that to build something way more pleasing than a temporary bleacher, and it's something that can be used for other things.
Very nice.
Other little small events, you know, you can have a little wedding out here. So, and
there have been weddings out here before.
Well, things start here.
Right. So, you're using a lot of local folks part of this project, and I understand it's a $1.2 million project according to what the county zoning
That's correct. That's correct. That's about what it'll be. Yeah, all the excavators, concrete guys, carpenters. We have a lot of other little projects going around here. Some are from right here in Manchester. We're from as far away as Murfreesboro. So, we're trying to be good neighbors in that way. I mean, our engineering and that stuff, we're using some national companies to make sure that everything is on the up and up. And working with the town and the local people is fantastic. Everybody helps us. We're trying to work together with everybody, and everybody's been fantastic to work with.
Good. When do you hope to have it finished? By the first show in June?
Well, if it's not finished by this show, we have big problems. That is an immovable deadline.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, we'll start setting steel the middle of May, vertical construction the middle of May. We'll use a temporary deck, as we've had in the past, a sort of wood deck on scaffold for this year, because the timeline is too short to get the concrete in place for the deck itself, and we'll do that after the event. But so it'll be ongoing.
Very nice. Well, hey Russ, we appreciate you being here, and you're one of our cousins now here, and as one of the Bonnaroo family. Thanks for the work you do.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.